Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Sitefinity multi-site feature. So to turn on your multi-site feature, if you do not have it on, you go to Modules and Services, and there will be a multi-site option there in which you can install it. But for those of you who already have your multi-site installed, you will notice that there is a down arrow here, a drop down that appears when that module is enabled. As you can see here, I already have a number of sites existing, but to navigate between your multi-sites, you simply go to this drop down and you can click on any one of these to take you to the dashboard or backend for that site. And if you need to manage at a higher level, you can go to Manage Sites and go in and manage the permissions, configure modules, set website offline, or modify the properties. In the configure modules section, it allows you to use a shared provider for your different modules, or you can, if you have separate module providers existing, you can change those here so that sites do not share data. Save those changes, and you can also modify properties for these, like the domain names and the languages that the site shows in, and whether that site is default or not. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to check out our blog. Thanks.